Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Wellington, local and long distance movers near me. A long distance move is when you're relocating your belongings over a distance of 50 miles from your current location, and we're well equipped to handle these long distance relocations. Our movers are careful in handling your belongings and from the loading stage to the transportation stage. Our trucks, like all of our equipment, are of the highest standards. These trucks are adequate for long distance moves, are well balanced and spacious. We have permits from the state and federal bodies in charge of relocations. We also have great insurance plans that are satisfactory to your relocation and cover all risk and liabilities that might be occurred on the journey. Your belongings get to you promptly and without any form of damage. You also have to prepare well for a local relocation. These types of relocations are less extensive and expensive than their long distance counterparts. We charge between $30 and $40 per hour, making us the best moving firm in the area. Can you always reach out to us? Absolutely. We're always available to answer your questions and inquiries. We're the best in the business, and you only have to ask around to confirm this piece of information. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Wellington moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.